Hi, in this video tutorial, I'm going to go through TurboSplines plugin. It's a plugin for creating multiple splines wrapping animation incredibly fast. I downloaded it already from Spline Dynamic website, and I just did the free trial one. So, and I also added it to the toolbar here from Customize User Interface. I went to Toolbar, went to spline dynamics, and then I just added a new one and drag it in my toolbar. So to go through the tutorial first, I'm gonna first create a text. Just maybe would like um I'm just gonna put like a 4-letter word. I'm just gonna put maybe Luna. Um, just because it's a trial one, so it doesn't take more than 5 shapes, I think. So I'm gonna drop my text in the elevation here, and as I am selecting my text, I'm gonna go to TurboSplines dialog. Under create, I'm gonna add path, and it's already added here. If I click on mesh type, it will I can choose from cylinder, capsule, box, ribbon, profile, or mesh. So I'm gonna choose profile, but let me draw first a star to use it as a profile for my shape. So I'm gonna add it as my shape now. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm just going to build geometry. So I'm just gonna say yes, and you can see that I have so many splines has been created. It's just a set. Okay, it seems not that right for me. So if I go to edition, under scale, I'm just gonna scale it a little bit smaller, 0.5 maybe. Yeah, maybe 0.3. Yeah, I like it more this way. Oopsie. Yep, Alt W. Yep. And I'm gonna turn the edge so I can see the edges. So I'm just gonna add more segments maybe, so when for later on. Yep. um, and I will add to from here, I'm gonna put turbo smooth modifier so it make it more smoother. Yep. Okay. And then I'm gonna go to animation. So under animation, there is the animation type, move, grow, reveal. So I'm gonna use the move one, and I'm gonna let it start from the frame 0. I can start it at any frame, but I'm gonna start it at frame 0 for now. And I'm gonna click on create and modify animation. So if I go to my any navigation bar and move, so it's like it's growing. Just gonna take it. That is without edges, and I'm gonna run. Seems nice. All right. I want to show you another tool that I can use under TurboSplines. So I'm gonna delete all of those, and I'm gonna go back to my 4 view boards, and I'm gonna create just a line. Oops. Um, I'm just gonna go to here under tools. I'm gonna click on this one, and just gonna say select source spline. I'm just gonna select this one, and I'm gonna create a helix. This one. Yep. I can make it has more maybe turns, like maybe 15. I'm gonna create another one. See, just gonna maximize this one. I'll choose my first one, and I will put it, maybe just put it like to be enable in the render and enable in the viewport for both, and maybe make it a little bit thicker, maybe like maybe 4. Yeah. We'll do the same with this one. 4. All right. I'm gonna go. Yeah. So after I selected those ones, I'm gonna be convert to renderable spline, and just go back to the tool. Yeah. So I will add a path, which is I'm gonna choose this one, and when I put like would tab this one, all of those, and this one I'll keep it as a cylinder. Just rebuild geometry. Just gonna go here. I'm just gonna, if I do that, if I go to the edition, with like maybe 50, so it make it that. The, the tip. Yep. And also maybe just 0. And also I have the table. Make it small from here, bigger, maybe like 1, maybe a little bit more. 10. Oh, there's 1. I would invert table. It will be the opposite way. You can put rotation, twist. Yeah, I have few options with that. I think this is a like a useful tool to use in 3D Max. Thank you very much.